Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Alex with Byrider in Appleton, and today we're going to be taking a look at a vehicle that we have on our lot here. We've had it for a little bit of time here, and we figured we'd show it a little bit of love. This is our 2011 Chevrolet Malibu. A couple nice noticeable features about this vehicle here is you do have an automatic seat riser, and there is tons of space available. Now, overall, this vehicle is fairly bare bones, but that's not really too much of an issue as we are built around being for starter vehicles. Huge plus with this, however, is you do have an automatic trunk release with an absolute ton of trunk space. Taking a look in the back here, there is an absolute ton of space available, even if you need a little bit more space for you and your kids, or if you bring in some friends along and you just want to go out for a night on the town. This is definitely something that can fit for full-size adults. All in all, this vehicle is absolutely fantastic, and we'd absolutely love to see you guys take a look at it and come give her a test drive here at the Appleton Byrider, located right across the street from Glass Nickel on College. That being said, folks, have an absolutely fantastic rest of your day, and thank you so much.